We are back, and it is a big day for the boy, Grand Champion. I love saying that. Grand Champion BSK Sincere. We are going down to Baltimore to visit his latest litter. This will be the first time he has ever seen his pups this small. They're 8 weeks as of today, and we're going to go visit him. He's going to go interact with him. I'm really interested and excited to see how he takes and reacts to him. We'll see what he's going to do. So stay tuned as we head to Baltimore. It's going to be a nice little vlog, and it's going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing him. They're really cute. He really did this thing with this litter. Some nice thick bulls, and you'll see him in a little bit. All right? So we're here in Baltimore. We just saw Sincere's son from his second litter, Mr. Langston Hughes, aka Huey Lanes. He looks great. The head is phenomenal, the bone is phenomenal. Boy's an absolute monster, great top line. And he got to meet his half siblings, and you know, they got to see a little preview of what Sin brings to the table. Definitely outproduced himself. Couldn't be happier. It's just amazing. Boy hasn't let us down not a day in his life.
Thank you. Great doing business with y'all. It's a pleasure.
We appreciate it.
Easy on us.
That's what we want to hear.
For sure. We're happy with the pup. We'll take well care of him.
I'm sure you guys will. Is he everything you hoped he would be?
Yes, and more. This is great. I am so excited. How you doing?
How'd you come up with his name?
Well, Ava and I were kind of talking about it, and we knew that we wanted to have like a Greek name,
Okay.
something really exotic.
It's unique too.
Yeah. And I figured the God of love.
That's
'Cause
perfect.
He's gonna be so loved. Yes, you are.